whichever one of my thieving family members came over to my house and sneakily stole my cat ears. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Don't wear them around me. I'm just saying. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this Get Ready with Premenstrual Me, we will be doing this look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up because look, I'm making it through this week. So we're amazing. I'm amazing. You're amazing. This look is amazing. If you want to do it, grab your palette and let's do it together. Ciao. So we're going to prime our eyelid, or actually put on this Milani translucent setting powder because I've already done my brow and primed my lid with IT Cosmetics Fake Up Concealer in the color Deep. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, you can click on the video right there. It's going to tell you what I think about this concealer. It's not actually deep. What did I even do on this eye? Look, I haven't seen too many people talk about this Jaclyn Hill palette anymore. It's like makeup gets released and then everybody forgets about it. But you know what? I'm not buying more makeup. You're not gonna get me to spend my coin when I've got a whole palette of colors right here to use. So we're using Jaclyn Hill. That's who we're using today. I really don't know what the colors are. The colors are listed on the back, but I'm so lazy right now that I don't feel like looking back there to tell you what it is. So we're just gonna go. We're just gonna make it happen, right? We're just gonna give it a go. Sorry. In every video, I start out by doing the same exact thing. Guys, we're just gonna run through it real. I just dug my finger in the palette. Okay. All right, there you go. All right, I'm gonna be using this color right here as just a base color all over my eye before I start putting on my color. And as you can see, the color just blends into my eye just perfectly. I really woke up today saying that I wasn't going to be doing anything on my eye. I'm a liar. I'm a lying McLeister. Then I opened up the palette and I was just like, I'm obviously going to be using colors. It's obvious. I don't know if you guys know, but day 3 of Premenstrual Me feels a little bit better. Like I feel like I can conquer the world today. Although sometimes I do feel like just crawling under the blankets. Like I don't even want to conquer anything. Can I just stay asleep sometimes? Thank you for coffee. Whatever happened to my hot Cheetos?
I did not eat them, but you know Dad likes to steal your stuff.
He does like to steal my stuff. I see you, babe. I'm gonna text him right now. Bubs, did you eat my hot Cheetos? We'll wait and see what he says about that. Okay, next we're gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna use this as my first color. I'm gonna start tapping it out here and just blend it on into the inside. And actually, to be honest, one of the things that I really hate about doing my eyes is you see that I have a nice indent in my crease area, which, you know, I shouldn't complain about. Grass is always greener on the other side, right?
My grass is green. I ain't worried about nobody else's grass. My grass is green. I waters my grass.
Water your own grass. Okay, so that little indent area in my eye, when I open my eye, I lose color. Not that my eyes are hooded, but I have to make sure I get color right up here on that brow bone sometimes, and it's really close to my brow. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I've got that color in there. I'm going to go in with a darker color. I'm going to be going in with this. Can you see that? With this color. It doesn't look as dark on the camera because of the lighting, but I'm going to go in with this color now. And I'm using the same brush. I'm putting it a little bit into my crease so that it doesn't take over all of that color. Make sure you're using the right brush, because if you don't use the right size brush on your eye, like not all brushes, I may have said this in another video, not all brushes are created equal. If you don't use the right size brush for your size eye, it's not gonna look right. I'm gonna grab another brush and go back over the top of that first color just to blend the two. I'm really showing you how easy it is to leave your house looking decent. If you left your house and you didn't look decent today, you can't blame anybody but yourself. You can't blame anybody but yourself, because this is easy. It's so easy. Look, ma'am, Linda, stop, Linda. Stop. Wet n Wild has cheap brushes that are good. Elf has cheap brushes that are good. You don't gotta spend Kylie Jenner money. I shouldn't even.
Shade!
I've got the brown in there. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go in with a deeper green color. Just going to tap it onto just a little bit. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. I'm going to go in with this fluffy blender out a bit. Now we've got the green in there. I'm going to go in. Don't even know where the brush is, with a flat brush, and I'm grabbing the piece de resistance color. That's this one down here, the color that everybody loves that's in this palette, and I'm just going to pick up a lot of it onto my brush. There's not a lot of fallout, and I'm really going to put that color up into the crease area where I put that dark green. I'm laying it on top, and then I'm going to blend that color out first. Trick to a good smoky eye, do the upper blend first, because if you put the color all on your lid first and blend that out, you're gonna lose the pigment on the lid first. Like you'll lose it. So put the color in the crease, blend out the crease to where you want it to, like how you want it to look. Why is my nose itching so much today? Blend that out.
That's for you, Kyle.
And then go in and put the color on the lid. So that's what I'm going to do. Now with that same flat brush, I'm going to apply the bulk of the color to my lid. On there. Now I'm going to take a clean brush. This is a Morphe M433 brush. I should know this brush by heart. And I'm going to just start cleaning up all the edges of my eye. And I'm wiping it. You can't see me doing it, but I'm wiping it off on a piece of paper. So in the last video I was talking to you guys about rain. I get to season 2, episode 2, and now it's gotten all spiritistic. And I'm like, really? Really? Did we even have to go there? In order to clean up underneath my brow, I'm just going to take my finger and just wipe. Get rid of some of the color that's up there. Boom. Look at that. Blend it out. Now, Master Chrome from Maybelline. I've been using it, loving it. You guys already know. I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my eye. Bring it out a little bit. Be sure that if you do this look, or if you're doing a look like this, when you bring it onto the color, you blend out the edges of this. I don't know what it's called. And I'm wiping it off each time I grab some more, because I'm getting a little bit of green on here, and I don't want to put that green into my highlighter. Use a small shading brush and clean up. Oh! Oh my God. I was about ready to cry, yo.
What kind of scream was that, Mom?
I was really surprised. Did you see what my face just looked like? Make sure your brushes are clean. Make sure you're not picking up a brush that has black all over it.
That has never happened to you, huh?
No, ma'am. I can't say that it has, but it has happened now. We're putting on lashes. I'm putting the lash glue on the lash first, and then we'll apply mascara. This gives the lash glue time to get tacky before I put it onto my eye. Alright, so now that that's on, that's giving my lashes enough time to get tacky. I'm just gonna So I'm going to add a little bit of concealer. Always, always, always. Ooh, Honor loves that so much.
You're a queen and I just want you.
Mascara. I rarely put mascara on my bottom lashes. Alright guys, that is how I did this look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did not enjoy this video and you're planning on giving me a thumbs down, I don't mind if you do it. Like, it won't hurt my feelings. Just leave me a note telling me what I could have done to make the video better for you. I may or may not implement your suggestions during this week because I just don't care. I do care. I really do care. If you want to see more videos, guys, there goes a video right there. That one. I'm going to put that one up there for you so you can watch it. I'm also going to leave my little floating head right there. That'll make it easier for you to subscribe. Subscribe, y'all. It is the right thing to do. Shana.